Hello guys, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Craft Ideas with Mumu. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make a cute gift for your mother. Of course for Mother's Day. So this is a unique one and this is very simple and easy to make. You can easily make it at your home. So let's start our video. At first take a paper and fold it. It will look like a card. So you have to fold it in this way. You see how it is looking like. It will look like this after folding. So then we'll just draw a shape like kind of flower or cloud, what you say. You can understand by saying it. So now cut it. You can see the final result, how it's looking like. Now we will make a door. It will look like kind of a door. Okay, so draw like this, and then using a paper cutter you have to cut it. But if you are a kid, then you can take help from your parents. You can see I made a mistake here. I just like cut this part also, but I will fix it, no problem. Now use glue at the side of this paper and fold it. Now I'm fixing the mistake, so you can see how I'm doing it. Now I will decorate it. So I will use a pen to border the size of it like this. I'm drawing like dot. You can also choose any other design for it. Now I'm writing here Happy Mother's Day. You can write any kind of things, any kind of wish here like happy birthday or any other thing as you wish. So now I'm making it a little bold. So you can see how I'm doing it. Now take a paper and glue it on the door of this card. And I have taken a green paper here. You can take any color as you wish. This is actually your choice. You can do it as your wish. You can use paper as your wish, your choice, your liking. Now I'm writing here open. Now I'm drawing a girl. Actually this is the one who will give it to her mother. So suppose I'll give it to my mother. This cute girl is me here. Actually I'm uh, uh, giving this, as I'm giving this to my mother, that means it is me. So if you will make it, then it will be you. Okay, it means that it is you, as you will give it to your mother. So then you can see how I'm doing it. The girl is sketching some flowers. So you can see how I'm doing it. It's very easy if you watch it a little bit carefully, then you can understand how much easy it is. So now I'm cutting the girl, so you can see. Now take a piece of paper and fold one side of it and then glue it to the door of the card. Now we'll attach the girl here. Actually, when you open the door, the girl will come out saying I love you. So you can see this is very unique one and easy to make. So now I'm writing here, sorry, I love you. So done. So part is almost finished, but we need to do one thing more. Now insert the girl inside of the card like this. Now take some small flowers and by keeping it in hand, press the middle part of the flower with a pencil like this. You will get some flower like this in this way. So now I'll glue the flowers in the card. After that our card will finish. So this process is very easy. I will show you how to make the flower because I think you know it how to make it. So I have used here 3 flowers. You can use more as you wish. Now using the pencil and pressing it so that it sticks with the card nicely. So now you can see the final result, how cute it is. So you can see the final result. I hope you will like it. So we're already at the end of this video. So hope you enjoyed my video and learned how to make this kind of crafts. If you want any more kind of craft, you can write in the comment box and also give a like if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe and share so that many people can watch my video through you. So hope you enjoyed my video and liked my video, and please comment beautiful comments in the comment box. Fill in the comment box with red heart. So thanks for watching. Bye.